Hello everyone, and welcome to another tech tip. If you use Microsoft 365, you should absolutely be using OneDrive to sync your computer files. This is how you ensure your work is accessible from anywhere, at any time, on any device. Stick around, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to set this up. Microsoft 365 is packed with productivity tools, and OneDrive is the engine that keeps your files moving. Its biggest strength is being able to sync your desktop and documents directly to the cloud. This means no more emailing files to yourself or waiting until you're back at your desk to finish a project. If it's on your computer, it's on your phone and your tablet too. Here's how you turn OneDrive syncing on. First, look at the bottom right-hand corner of your screen and click the OneDrive icon, the little blue cloud, in your system tray. Then, click the settings gear icon in the top right of that pop-up. Select Settings from the menu that appears. Next, on the left-hand sidebar, click Sync and Backup, then click Manage Backup. From here, toggle the switches from your desktop, documents, and pictures. Once you hit Start Backup, Microsoft handles the rest. Your files are now backed up and synced in real time. That's it for today's tech tip. Using OneDrive correctly is the first step toward a more mobile workstation. If you have any questions about OneDrive, folder backup, or maximizing your Microsoft 365 suite, reach out to us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.